Hi, today I'm running here POCO X5 Pro and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the wallpaper section. If you want to use the online wallpapers, you can make it, but first be sure that you're connected to the internet, to Wi-Fi or to mobile data. Or if you want to use the default wallpapers from your device or just taken on your camera app, you should switch wallpapers to profile section, then click to wallpapers, and here we'll see our default wallpapers. For example, let's use from these pictures. Tap to apply, click set as lock screen, and after that we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while the empty space on your home screen with the finger, then on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper icon. Just tap on it, and for example, if you want to use your wallpapers from your device gallery previously taken on your device camera, also you can use photos from the Google device or Google Photos. So I'll just want to try the one from the online wallpapers. So just let's, for example, use the sunflowers. Tap to apply, set as lock screen, keep on it, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.